and the Talking Clock. Leo was a curious boy who loved asking questions. He lived in a small house with his parents, and in his room there was an old wall clock. The clock was big, round, and always went tick-tock, tick-tock. Leo had seen that clock since he was very young, but one night something strange happened. It was a rainy night. Leo was doing his homework, but he felt tired and sleepy. Suddenly, he heard a soft voice. "Leo, Leo." Leo looked around the room. "Who is calling me?" he asked. "It's me, the clock," said the voice. Leo's eyes opened wide. "The clock? You can talk?" he said in surprise. "Yes," the clock replied. "I can talk, but only to children who want to learn." Leo smiled. "That's amazing. Why are you talking to me?" The clock said kindly, "Because you waste time. You play games for hours, but you don't use time wisely." Leo felt a little ashamed. "I know, but time is boring," he said. The clock laughed softly. "Time is not boring. Time is powerful. Let me show you." Suddenly, the room became quiet. The clock's hands started moving very fast. In a blink, Leo saw himself 5 years older. He looked tired and sad.